Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I am back with another video and I'm going to be making a watermelon splash drink. So I have these little bottles of Smirnoff because my liquor store here was out of the Ciroc watermelon liquor, so this was the closest thing I could get. So I'm going to be making a small batch today. And today we're going to be using Minute Maid watermelon flavor. And then I'm going to pour in a bottle of the Smirnoff and its watermelon flavor. And then I had a few Jolly Ranchers sitting around, so I was like, why not put in some watermelon Jolly Ranchers? I'm going to turn it on. So I have my cup. Put a couple blueberries in there. Pour in my drink. Made it a little thick today. Drop some more blueberries in there. And this is supposed to help give it like the seeds look that's in the watermelons. Gonna spoon some more in there. Then you just want to move your blueberries around in there. And you can add as many of these as you want. It's really just for decorations. Add a couple of the Sour Patch watermelons. And then I'm going to take another one of these little things here. I'm just going to dump it in. And there you have it. Guess we can call this like a watermelon splash. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a comment of anything that you would like to see me make. I would be happy to get that video up for everyone.